Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can configure your date and time fields to use the current date and time. So I dropped in this date and time field by going to the plus sign, going to input, and then the date and time field is right here. So it's really easy to just drag and drop any of our elements into your web project. And then to make it have the current date and time for the end users, then you can go to your settings wheel and then just check use current date time. You're allowed to choose which date format you want and which time format you want. So let's set ours with the days for days, months, years, and then also 24 hours just to switch things up from the American way. And let's preview this together. So now you can see the date and time field has automatically taken the current date and time, which is pretty cool. So if you want your end users to be able to interact with a date time field and to use the current date and time, that is how it's done. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helped.